All right, this is Lab 5.10.10, Applied Lab, the hardware store. And in this lab, we're going to be doing pivot tables and creating reports based on that. So for this one, it wants a pivot table based on cells A1 through H31 of the sales data worksheet. So we're going to select all of that down to H31, and we're going to insert a pivot table from that data range. We're going to put it on a new worksheet and click OK. And then from this, we're going to use the pivot table to create a report that shows the total sales of each salesperson. So we want the person's name and we want their total sales, and we want to group it by region. So we're going to see if this works. I'm going to grab region and put it here. To do this, we have region and name in the rows. That allows us to sort them. And then we have sum of total by the value so that you can see we can sort each one, give our sum of total, check your answers just to make sure that that's correct, which it is. All right, using the pivot table on the Q2 sales sheet, we're going to create a report that displays the regions as rows. So we can take our regions here as rows and our departments as columns. So I'm going to grab those and drag them down here. And let me pause this. All right. The average of quarter two sales as value. So we're going to come over here, quarter two sales. We're going to click and drag that down to our values. And using the value field settings dialog box, change the number format. So we're going to come over here and we want to change the number format for the sales to currency. So there, we're going to come in here with 0 decimal points. Click OK, click OK. Everything should be updated. Check our answers. And what am I missing? Oh, change it to, instead of thumb, sorry, it should be average, number format, currency, value 0. Click OK, OK, and there we are.